Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be taking out these 3-week-old braids, and this was my first time having braids, and I really enjoyed just being able to get up and go and not have to worry about doing my hair. And obviously braids just go with anything, and I really enjoyed it. So I will be getting braids again, but for now it is time to take these things out so I can wash my hair. And as you can see, I'm cutting the very ends of my braids. I'm really scared about cutting off my actual hair. So I'm starting, really low, but it is what it is. And I'm just gonna undo these braids. Alright guys, so I saved you all a lot of time because obviously this took a few hours. So now I'm applying some hair oil to my scalp because it's really dry, and I'm just going to scratch it and work it in there. And it's too late for me to wash my hair now, so I'm going to go to bed, and then in a couple of days I'm going to wash my hair, so you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so it's 2 days later and it's time to wash my hair, but first I want to make sure that my hair is detangled. So I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb, and it's just going to make for an easier process when I wash my hair. Alright guys, so my hair is combed out and now it's ready to be washed, and this is the amount of hair that came out so far, which is not bad at all, and we'll see how much comes out after I wash it. But I'm going to be going in with the Gold Series Sulfate Free Shampoo from Pantene, and this shampoo is infused with argan oil. It gently cleanses and hydrates for instant softness for stronger hair, and this is for natural transitioning and relaxed hair. So I'm just going to work it in, and you guys, this is the best feeling ever. After not having my hair washed in 3 weeks, I get to scratch my scalp and it just feels so good. Alright, so now I'm rinsing out the shampoo, and then I'm going to go in a second time with the shampoo because I want to make sure that my hair is really clean. So next I'm going to go in with the Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength Repairing Cocoon Mask for weak breakage prone hair. And this hair mask has castor oil, ginger, and wheat protein. And you guys, this mask is amazing. You are going to see just how moisturized my hair looks. So my hair needs more detangling, and the hair mask makes it an easier process. So after I apply the hair mask to each section of my hair, I'm going to comb it out and then twist it up. Alright guys, so now I'm just adding some more of the hair mask to the top of my hair, and then I'm going to put a plastic bag over my hair, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes before I rinse it out. Alright, so I'm back and it's time to take down my hair, and look at how moisturized it is, you guys. I mean, this hair mask is amazing. Alright guys, so now it is time for me to rinse out the hair mask. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like, and finally it is time to go in with the Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner, and this conditioner moisturizes and detangles your hair for instant softness and strength, and it also has rich conditioning oils that absorb through the hair for instant softness and radiant shine. It provides resilient strength and flexibility after the first wash. Okay, so my hair looks extremely moisturized right now, and I really think it's the Carol's Daughter hair mask that I used. I really think it just took things to the next level. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I applied the conditioner, and my hair looks and feels amazing. And I'm just literally going to keep this in for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Alright guys, so I'm finally finished, and I feel like this is the longest wash day I've ever had. But I really love the results, and this is how much hair came out after washing, which is normal. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.